Jai Gurudev, dear students. Welcome again in this EVS class. Dear students, we have already started our chapter number 3, our organ system, and under this we have studied these some of the organ systems I have explained you. I have explained you already skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system and respiratory system. So children, only two organ systems are remained. So today I'll explain you these two. Okay, so let's see. Yes, so this is the nervous system. Nervous system controls our actions. So children, whatever we are doing, that all our actions are controlled by our nervous system. The brain is the integral part of this system that allows you to think, feel and respond accordingly. So dear student, our brain is a main controller of our body and it is also called integral part. Integral part means which make a connection or maintain connection of our different body parts with each other. Okay, so that's why it is called as an integral part of this system. So it is the main controller of our body and whatever action we are doing, that all are controlled by our this part which is called brain. And what we think, what we feel, what we respond according to the situation, that all the things are controlled by our this part of organ system which is called brain. So let's read the next para. You immediately remove your hand if you accidentally touch a hot iron. So children, here they have given one example. That example means when you touch any of the hot object accidentally. So what you do? You immediately remove your hand from that place. So here they have given example of hot iron, जिसे आप कपड़ों को आयन करते हैं, वो आयन की बात कर रहे हैं ये. So hot iron, when we touch accidentally, then we immediately remove our hands. So this action is also controlled by our brain and its parts. You wink your eyes as soon as someone brings something close to your eyes. और चिल्ड्रन, इसमें सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इन्होंने दी है कि जब भी कोई हमारी आईज के पास कोई चीज़ लेके आता है तो हम एकदम से अपनी आईज को विंक करने लगते हैं. विंक मीन्स अपनी आईज को बहुत जल्दी ओपन और क्लोज करना. ओपन क्लोज करना बार बार, उसको बोलते हैं विंक करना. ओके, so we immediately do this action as anybody come close to our eyes or anything come closer to our eyes. Who guides you that you will be hurt? और आपको ये कौन गाइड करता है कि आपको चोट लग जाएगी? It is our nervous system that is working at that time. So children, if you walk and in front of you if road is broken or road is damaged, then what you will do, that time your brain tells you that don't step your feet into that damaged part of road, otherwise you will fall down. Okay, otherwise you can get hurt. So this thing also controlled by our brain, and we our eyes at that time give information to our brain, and brain tells us, order us accordingly. Okay, so our organs, नाउ नर्वस सिस्टम के कौन कौन से ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो आप देख लीजिए. आवर ऑर्गन्स, ब्रेन, नर्व्स एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड combines to form our nervous system. So children, I will show you through the diagram about these organs of nervous system. You can see here, this is brain, and one pipe like this structure comes out from the brain, which joins the brain. This is called spinal cord. Okay, कॉर्ड जो होती है इसका मीनिंग होता है वायर जैसा कुछ भी ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो थिक पाइप और वायर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. एंड spinal cord has also many branches. Okay, so these all the branches of this spinal cord, and it goes to each and every part of our body. That's why we can feel anything. When anything happen to our any body part, then we feel from that body part, and immediately that message come to the spinal cord, and through the spinal cord ultimately message go to our brain, and then our brain instruct us what to do at that situation. Okay, so this is the nervous system and organs of nervous system. So the brain connects itself to every part of our body through nerves. The spinal cord and nerves help the brain to give commands to the body parts and control their actions. Now children, in this paragraph what they are saying, that ब्रेन जो होता है हमारा, वो हमारे सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के पास अपनी जो उसकी ब्रांचेस होती हैं, जैसे मेन ब्रांच उसकी क्या है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की आगे बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस होती हैं जो हमारे सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में तक पहुंचती हैं. ये बहुत ही उसकी लंबी लंबी ब्रांचेस होती हैं, विच आर कॉल्ड नर्व्स. ये क्या हैं, नर्व्स हैं. और ये नर्व्स जो हैं ये हमारे सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स तक इसकी जो ब्रांचेस होती हैं वो पहुंचती हैं. और अगर किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वो बॉडी पार्ट से इमीडिएटली जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो कौन लेके आती हैं, ये नर्व्स लेके आती हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के पास. एंड देन स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से फिर ब्रेन के पास वो मैसेज पहुंचता है कि हमारे किसी बॉडी पार्ट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई है. देन व्हाट आवर ब्रेन डज एट दैट टाइम, ब्रेन इंस्ट्रक्ट आवर पर्टिकुलर बॉडी ऑर्गन्स टू परफॉर्म और टू रिस्पॉन्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. अंडरस्टूड. जैसे मान लो हमारे हैंड्स में भी नर्व्स होती हैं, और अगर हमने बाय मिस्टेक गर्म चीज़ को, किसी भी हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट को टच कर लिया, तो वो जो नर्व्स हमारे हैंड्स में प्रेजेंट होती हैं वो नर्व्स जल्दी से मैसेज लेके और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड के पास आ जाएंगी, और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जो है उससे फिर मैसेज ब्रेन के पास चला जाएगा. और ये बहुत ही फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड्स में होता है। मीन्स सेकेंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा है होता है, सेकेंड का भी बहुत छोटा पार्ट, इतने कम टाइम में ये एक्शन ब्रेन के पास पहुंच जाता है। और ये जो मैसेज ब्रेन ने रिसीव किया, उसके बाद ब्रेन तुरंत से फटाफट मैसेज वो जो है वो हमारे बॉडी ऑर्गन्स को, मीन्स ये हैंड्स को वो मैसेज पहुंचा देगा कि आप अपना हाथ पीछे कर लो। तो हम उस हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट से अपना हाथ इमिडिएटली पीछे कर लेते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द एक्शन or response what we do when we touch any hot object. Okay, so in this way our brain starts functioning and control our all the actions and tells us also how to respond according to the situations. So we can say that brain is the commander of are all the body actions. So children, after this is about the nervous system. Now come to the next system, which is your 8th system, that is reproductive system. So as the other all systems are important, this system is also important for any of the animal or human beings also. So the reproductive system is responsible for our survival on the earth. As seeds enable the plants to grow in multiples, so is this system helpful in giving birth to a new child. It is the mother who bears the child in her womb till it grows and is born. So children, in this paragraph what they explained, what they tried to explain, that reproductive system is equally important for any animal to survive, any living organism to survive on the earth. Means this system is responsible for our survival on the earth. Survival means हमारे जिंदा रहने के लिए, या हमारी जो वैरायटी है किसी भी एनिमल की या ह्यूमन बीइंग की, जो वैरायटी होती है, उसको अर्थ पे ज़िंदा रखने के लिए ये सिस्टम ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. बिकॉज दिस रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम ओनली enable the living organism to produce the same organism like itself. Okay, जैसा कोई एनिमल होता है वो अपने जैसे ही और इंडिविजुअल को इस सिस्टम के थ्रू पैदा कर सकता है. और अगर कोई भी एनिमल या कोई भी प्लांट जो है वो अपने जैसे और प्लांट्स को या एनिमल्स को दोबारा से ना बना पाए, तो उस प्लांट या उस एनिमल की वैरायटी या उसकी सर्वाइवल अर्थ से फिनिश हो जाएगी. तो इसलिए हमारी सर्वाइवल को अर्थ पे मेंटेन करने के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हर ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो आगे अपने जैसे ही ऑर्गेनिज्म को बर्थ दे. सो जैसे प्लांट्स में इन्होंने एग्जाम्पल दिए यहाँ पे कि प्लांट्स के जो सीड्स होते हैं वो आगे अपने जैसे ही नए प्लांट्स को वो बना देते हैं मल्टीपल टाइम्स. मीन्स यू नो in a single fruit so many seeds are produced, and as the fruit ripens seeds become mature, and after the maturity those seeds will able to produce a new plant. Okay, so many plants can be produced from a a single fruit, or we can say from some seeds. So in the same way, human beings also have reproductive system which enable the human beings to produce a new baby like those humans. So this is only the mother who can give birth to its babies. And here they have written a word womb. So children, womb is that part inside the mother's body in which developing baby can survive or develop inside the human body. Okay, human female mother. So this part they are explained here because it is the part of mother which is responsible to give growth, or we can say to born a baby inside its body. So that's why here reproductive system is important for the human beings also, and all the animals and plants also. Okay, so children, this is about the systems, various systems of your body. So here they have given growing up with values. Let's see what they have written. The various organs that work in our body teach us to work as a team and support each other. This is how we succeed in life. So children, here what value they have given us, they have explained that how our body has different type of systems. In the same way, we can also work together to become a successful person, or we can say we can achieve, we can do any work when we work together in a group. See, inside our body we have studied so many systems, 8 systems I have explained you. See, all the systems when work together, then only can any body work properly. In the same way, our organs tells us, or organ systems teach us that to work as a team and support each other. Means how the systems support one another. In the same way, we should also support each other and we should help each other so that we can succeed in our life. Okay, so children, this is all about your this chapter number 3. In the next video, in the next class, I'll explain you exercises and question answers I'll give you in the form of PDF. Okay, so Jai Gurudev to all of you.